Alright guys, we back with an A-body. 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Paint in my opinion is a solid 7. Let's check her out. Y'all drop down in the comments and tell me what's your favorite A-body. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jams on the lower doors. Deck lid. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks. Mileage reads a little over 30,000. Seats nice and clean. Back seat in good condition. Convertible top functions as it should. Let's check out that dash. As y'all can see, mileage reads a little over 30,000. Upper dash. Lower. Check out how clean the engine bay is, guys. And there she is. The 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. She fire right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. That's what we call running like a sewing machine. Thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.